Oh, happy and everyone, how are you all today? Oh, we're doing something different today. Gonna try something out, something new. Gonna be making a tutorial for OBS and Twitch in specifically in this case, but it might work on some other platforms. But I know for sure that it works for Twitch. So it's something that I've been asked a few times. If you know me from stream, I am somewhat technical with stuff like OBS and some other stuff. I've made my own gacha system for Twitch streams. And well, I know a bit about how to go about certain things. So this was a question that has been asked from me. It has to do with how to separate audio from your stream and your VOD track. Pretty much, for example, if you're playing a game where the publisher or the developer has some questionable copyright things going on, for example, like Disney with the Kingdom Hearts games, or maybe Nintendo or whatever company, and you don't want that the game audio to appear in your voice because you don't want all those nice little copyright claims or potentially even a copyright strike if you're not careful enough. This is the way how to handle this. I'm going to show you real quick. I have set up a brand new setup of OBS, so nothing to see in there too much, but it will work on. It will work with how I explain it. So I hope you are all ready to go. And well, let's get started. Pretty much, you open up OBS here. You see this pretty much is your startup screen if you have a fresh install. You've got your desktop audio and your mic audio. Well, you're assuming that your mic audio is something you want to have on your stream and in your VOD, and that your desktop audio might be whatever game you're playing, or maybe you have Spotify or some other music streams going on there. But the first thing you have to do, you have to go into File, Settings, and this pops up, and you have to go into Output. Now, what you get this scene, but you have to set it into Advanced, and then you get this. This is the important part. You have to click this on, Twitch VOD track, and then you select one of these numbers. The default is 2, and your audio track will be 1. So remember, this pretty much means your audio track, the one that will be hearable on stream, will be 1. And your Twitch VOD track will be number 2, which pretty much will be all the audio that is also set to number 2 will also appear in your VOD. Click Apply, then head over to your audio mixer, hit the gearbox, and then the advanced audio properties pop up. Well, over here you can select what you want to be able to be heard on stream. Pretty much your audio was 1, and your VOD track was 2. And considering you probably want whatever you're saying in your mic to pop up in your VOD and not what is in your desktop audio, you disable the 2 over here and enable it over here, and then if everything goes well, it should work. Please make sure to double check with something that is a bit more inconspicuous, like than the heavy hitters like Disney or Nintendo at times, or Atlas also likes to do it, by the way, so that's also one. But this is pretty much how you do it. Pretty simple, but it can help you out with what you need to do and avoid those copyright strikes or claims. So I hope this was helpful. If you like it, leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And if you have something to add on, or have more questions, or have suggestions of other tutorials you want to see in the future, leave them also in the comments. And have a good time streaming and making content. Bye bye!